I will load the dishwasher. I don't mind. I hate unloading the dishwasher. I hate it.
Agreed.
I'll do it, but
And where do you
Why don't you? Why don't you? Because you don't know where everything goes.
put most things away. If I don't know where it goes, it stays right on the counter.
Oh, God!
Because God forbid that I put something away that doesn't belong in a certain drawer.
Maybe that's too funny.
I leave it on the counter. If I can't find it, right? You do too.
Yeah.
Wait, so here's the best one.
I mean, there's special forks for certain things.
I'll be in the other room. And I'll hear this. If I were a colander, where would I be? She's like, you can't put this stuff away? Oh no, I don't want to play hide and seek. Tell me you don't do that.
But I do. But if it's Tupperware, you know where the Tupperware cupboard is.
Do I know where that is? No, I don't even know there was a Tupperware cupboard. I don't even know there's a Tupperware cupboard.
I know there's a Tupperware cupboard.
Is there one?
I have one. Now, the problem with the Tupperware cupboard is there's too many pieces of Tupperware, and I don't feel like moving all of them. Put
that one in there. Exactly. Right.
Oh my gosh, so you
So
put
that's
the big one on
laziness.
top of the little one?
No,
Oh,
I leave it
yeah.
right on the counter.
Okay. Yeah.
The Mike P. and Uncle B Happiness from Within tour with What's Cooking with Shannon. Your seat is set at our table.